Do you have this habit of cracking your joints all the time?
नहीं.
Does it cause arthritis? Let's discuss this. Our joints have a fluid called synovial fluid which helps in lubrication. Synovial fluid has bubbles inside. So when you pull your joints apart or move them backwards or forward and you get this popping sound, it is because these air bubbles burst. So the next question may come into your mind whether this is harmful, I should be doing it or not. So just cracking the joints doesn't cause any direct issue, but this may cause hypermobility of joints in the longer run. Also, if there is an underlying issue already, in the longer run, it may cause arthritic changes also. Follow us for more such content.